Chamaboko nonya nabo nigo ase skuru yobobundi ya Keroka inga kibagendete kwiroberia ase entundi entangani kegima elinda kwaneke bunango chikobekera bali aboro kigwa chigutwa ase litkoria ijuma okwana omorkyo manene kurwa ase skuru ejo nigo abaga kwaligania serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii wetera omobunge onyaribali masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku hasane kibne merobili yonsi nigo yaberike goikirana nabo igo kumogania gochikogora amagena yobwaga chikorwa ase skuru yo
asiri tukoria rero twabiro nomogo kwa sengencho mu director of education ku Masaba North dochi akire skuru no mwesisi ogesima bakire gaiga nabageni bande bonse twakwanira mangana ito yekisemi twakwanira nga tutogosegete kisemi chiki ego asaba mintu bari motoroche gaiga abayibori bari bande maybe kunyawara mwangu musirake ngamangana na rege school rero twanyakorire etokubasaba nganyabuye tutagetagende mutwe etokonye gaiga egera abana baitumureta abana kuru asonsi nande buna twatebire ngabono guchumutua ngochakatore none senior secondary na twaba promise no director ito abantu bamintu buno mu past
Keroka itanga nija kwa graduation square yaburiye mwaroringa nekinege tukia rozuko kujano bongainyo bonene. That is my take. Keroka, I've worked keenly with the Department of Building. We have utilized the machines well. The machine teacher production of capros bonogere certified. Kere certified. Ya college woni goja ko ni jika project ya etuale chibeza chiane kuna wana ndo asa bete president ya acha kurubo turu temi MP kroke je produce capros eoneli aba contractor bali ba kwa aja for the housing everywhere ndonda batavi ngelinge njirantive Katokora nijinsi jezi kuna jabo Canada, jabo Spain, goito paka China. Bantu bazo ameto nanje bakwa tebese. Abantu bakwa tibese n'abantu bamako. Iwo ko yenda nagingera ukiri busana isatu. Chindero gachuka ila keronde Canada. Ezenga yeri rate intivate. So institution ya de yons pia sura none pour youth polytechnic osome kisemi chiwokonye ekine kinda atabi abantu
Hotigana nayo mwanchi omulgerya nigo tokwende mase mogwikase county ya Nyamira asingo komenya bunenchire yemo yugo kinia ebirengo byekisemi nigo committee korwa ase skuru ya Nyabugoye PG yabakego ikirana ase nsemeyo nabayigo gotwara egeikaro kyabene asibaba gokora amonchirelyo ase skuru yo osanga nigo bane kebna nigo aborokia babere bakunganywa korwa ase skuru yo ase kilebuna mbanya ko baba goikirana ase chiskuru naboyigo obotindu
tobo atega igo mo bishop nyara ndibuya twaigore buyamono twagoke bayibuli mogogete boli abana mwagoka buna twakira rero twakorera magenderera maya mwagokire kapisa buyamona abantu bamindu tukatubwatirane twikisukuri twanyabuye kwechimotwe nande kumebonere tunugoro ene sukuru ya sasa sentemano buyamona mwensi nabantu bayito beti biyonsi buyamona sana twabakirenga buyamona soko tutarira asante
yamangana wastu akwa nasiri tukoria rero mwaliganirwe no nyambali bataika amangana yo anyale kabago kwanu buyamona
Samarieta nkuru kwa George Mukaya Komanda and ninjende pia cha Primary School. Asali tukoria rero twabwate mukutano monene ya school yaito chishu sinjere twabwate twabwena kwa address, so we are very happy on education officer Nacha Mr. Ogano program twabwate concerning our teachers and the surrounding and the boundaries of school. I think it's very resolved. One of our masomo ya wana mtu ya kwanera tuanyodere na mtara kitawala maitu abega gutosira cichinjira chionse tubwatira nabo nabaibuli banyabogoye tukine chisabu chie skulu tigango to saba abaibuli bali batwetana nyabogoye bali bandene bikanara baro na skulu ya gure bono tigatubae ogosemeringa amatuka yale guchigosi
Umobase Evans Abuga Mirera kurwa se kanisa ya Keroka ni Church of Masaba PG District Churches. Lero twalenga somo chunya bugoye tarehe 18 mutinyi ukianda asoko kwanera mangana etisemi ngakikira abachi koimoka asomo chunya bugoye asingi nchiyo buya bomwana twabangira mangana mange twasabirenga no ene serikali goyetera se Ministry of Education bache bato junior senior secondary school ekiangero mugondora no monene obwenda korosiwa junior secondary school nabo igo ebinte bingi bwenda kwa bigo koleka na twali
aborokigwa bali bakurukurwa sechinga chitali kwenyara nabo igo bali chintakana nigo babeire bakonyora ogosirwa asibaba bakoegwa ebitabu chi uniform chikaramu nebinto binde binge ebirabe bikobasira elinde koeneke bnangu ikirane bali chisemi cyabo oboikirano mubwatani omuyakorwa ase kyombe gya Joshua Nyarenji Foundation niga bakagusira aborokigwa gwetania chimisato nanya bo nigo babire bakogokera egetambukiro ekyo nabo igokoria eira yogo chigokora omokia asensemeli ya masomo
asamariete ni wankor kwiziro mwaka nyakundi kanigera iga nyoro be primary exercise yake twaje gukora iga ne kia bete issue na umushimiwa Joshua Nyarenji obera kona kukonya abantu asebo kitutwe kya Chenot okonyira abana lero twacha se school yiga ya Nyamoroba ase school yiga twaletera abana 300 chiyuni 342 na twaletera chiyuni lero twaletera nebitabu twaletera n'echikaramu elinda abana baiga banyore encheregia yokonyora chisemi.
As a school, we are very happy. In fact, we thank Mr. Joshua and the foundation for visiting us with a lot of goodies.
Onko ira neringa mbiamono nande nagokire arete ira abana baitu esukuru baiga Nyaboro bakianga dukwe ni mbiamono omwesimi gwitokorere geto kia mana asikenyoro kia Nyaboroba Tiganya saga ndere kumurwanira na ndaga ndere kumugurira chinchera
igonda ake mbiamono sana so musikecho so Nyarenji ase korumwa ko 63 bakabon oyonero omuntu mutanga ninaro jo naro bwo chekenyoro na kubwatisia abana na abaibori bali batari kwenyara.
Omugavana wa county ya Kakamega Fernandes Barasa ni gabereka wesoke bene nabo igokubulia serikali enene kweneke bnanko bwatukere chibesago cha ase chi county okwana nigo aenekia chi county go cha kumutinyo gatana kabere oyo gatano na gatatu nabo igo yo kianda chitira bakonyora chibesa asa buli muwaziri wikeganja ye serikali kweneke bnanko bekale emirobeli mekero nabo igo kubwatuka chibesa ekyo elinde baba bakowakana abanyakonda nabo igo emirobeli gwikirana.
Mimi kama mwenyekiti wa kamati ya fedha, mipango na uchumi from the COG Council of Governors, ningependa kuomba mheshimiwa ambaye ni CPA Mbadi, waziri wa National Treasury, ya kwamba tangu mwezi wa 7, mwezi wa 8 na sasa ni mwezi wa 9 hatujapata pesa kutoka kwa national government. Contractors wetu wanaumia, hawajalipwa, suppliers wetu wanaumia, hawajalipwa. Hata tuko na majukumu mengi ambayo imeathirika because of lack of funds. So I want to urge the National Treasury to expedite the release of 90 billion Kenya shillings ili serikali za ugatuzi ziweze kufanyia wananchi kazi.
Nonyamagega ye wizara yechisemi gokora amoncherio ase sekte yo chingaki aborokyo kurasichi university bale kwamereria omoroberio muyabo kwena na chibesa ase birengo bigoro nigo egati aborokyo gwakorwa ase university ya Nairobi babere bagwesoke bene nabo igokorokia ogoteisanika kwabo magayo gochorwa gwe committee yo gokora amoncherio nanya naboni go baganirie wizara yechisemi gotuguterare omoroberio yo ya asibaine kebuna nigo aborkiwa bagendete gwitira amakongo eyabetereria bande gotiga goikirana ase chiskuru nabo igo gonchereria chikos chabo.
Long live you and long live. Long live. Viva governors, viva. Viva. We are continuing to reject the new funding model just the same way we have been rejecting it. We are not going to relent until the government hears our cries. We have seen the gazettement of 4 committees to review the new funding model. All we want to say is that we don't want reforms. All that we want is that model to be disbanded.
In my faculty, around 500 students have not reported in school. This is because of the new funding model. If you tell me that the committee is going to review the funding model in 2 months, my question is, how are these students going to join the school? Because after 2 months, we are going to start our exams. You have killed the dream of these students.
For those who have joined us first years this year, most of them haven't even paid a quarter of their fees, but they're progressing. But as per the policy, you can't sit for an exam if you've not cleared your fees. So yes, you will join first year, the first month, second month, third month. When you'll be doing for the exams, you won't be allowed to sit for the exam. So you'll have no option but to go home. So far, we have cases of students who've decided to defer, whose parents have decided to first collect money. We have some who've deferred, who've done interfaculty transfer from the high-end courses to low courses, like from medicine to teaching or from engineering to some courses which pay less.
Mateya mokuru ase county ya Siaya nigo egendete kurira obwene bwabo magega y'omwana obo siria obugima bwaye asenchera yobotutukano nonya nabo nigo babiri bakoenekia obotutukano kubwatkana norobo tiro betero kubwatokwa n'abanyanyimbo kurwa sensemeri ya DCI nabo igo oboteneneri bweskuru asebaganiri obotukibwe imegokorekana nabo igo konyora obwene ekikirire to omwana yobo siria obugima bwaye.
Kimilili Sub-County Hospital, where the first aid was done and was later referred to Life Care Hospital in Mungoma, where the boy succumbed.
The story was that the boy dipped himself in the septic. Yes, I didn't still accept. So we said we are going to the scene, that is by the directive of the DCI. We all went together and we were there. When we reached there, what we saw was terrible.
As we look at the issues which are surrounding this, the school is not really coming out clearly. And now that when we went to the DCI, we got a first version of the story, and the students popped up, as my sister mentioned, and there's another version of the story. So we are asking ourselves, how do we have 2 versions of story in one school?
My brother was a very good person. He was a very good person, and the moments I had with him was so nice. I would just love to say that I'm very disappointed in the education system.
Magega yoroboti kubwatkwa nere John Chikati buna kiama gya Ford Kenya kyabere kyegusiria oboroso nigo ababwatani kurase kiame kyo babere bagwesoke bene naboigo kwiraniria enganeyo nanya nabo nigo babekire emerobeli mekiranu asoko ne kebuna ngotinya bale obokorere bwe kiame kyo anene ase bagenderete komwa okoboko muraiwense Dr. William Ruto asoko ne kebuna obeire kagwikirania emeremo yaye.
There was a rumor of folding parties which went round. First of all, nobody came to us to ask us to fold our party. Secondly, even if they will have asked us, Ford Kenya cannot fold. Yeah. The governor, and who is also the deputy party leader, has told you that Ford Kenya is the second oldest party in the country, after KANU. We shall continue to exist. Some of the emerging parties will leave Ford Kenya on the arena.
You know, there are parties that are formed for elections.
Yes.
For the purpose of elections.
Yes, yes.
And immediately after elections, they exit the scene.
Yes.
Ford Kenya is not one of them.
Yes.
Ford Kenya is a rock party.
Correct.
A party that has been there, a party that is going to be there, with a lot of, is a national party. So we are not about to fold. We can only be in a coalition with other political parties whom we share like minds.
Na tunataraji kwamba tutaendelea kutembea hivyo, na sisi kama chama tutaunga serikali ya Kenya Kwanza tukiongozwa na Spika wa Bunge la Taifa, gavana wetu na viongozi wote wa bunge hadi mashinani kuhakikisha kwamba nchi inasonga mbele.
Mwancho murigereria korwa soroboti urunio na ikiro moelio go kumurikira mangana maya asebire biga kurinde toska tonyegera ekoraga ensa eyemo no bego kumirana nere amisi Josephat akomanye ayona mange asenchira yobikirano abakwenda gutubwatia sinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net iretari anenkerubo Frida nili nekebna chibicha niliogida gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Kevin Mugambi asinsemo chibioroka ili niko tukubwatenere Lydia Museto skatonyegera umurobeli bwechingero ngochole asegekeke kerobosio bunakoleterwa sole nere Papasiko the Bada.